Hello everyone, this is Drew of xDrive Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 BMW 740i xDrive. This vehicle has a twin turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 with 335 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Very nice luxury sedan right here. This is not the M Sport, so it has like the regular steering wheel. You have metal shift paddles. You have a heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated seats, and the 7 Series gives you this little screen right here too, which is nice. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity on this iDrive 7. It's also touchscreen as well. Nice thick iDrive controller right here. The seats look great, really nice stitching on the seats. And you have wood trim. You have a 360-degree camera system. You have 2 sunroofs. Black exterior with LED headlights. .740i badge on the back, dual outlet exhaust, as well as the xDrive badge. The xDrive is obviously a little bit quicker than the rear-wheel drive models because of the all-wheel drive power. Rear seats obviously have tons of legroom, being a 7 Series. You have a nice little mirror in the back seat for you to look at yourself while you're driving or riding along in comfort. You have a Harman Kardon sound system, heated rear seats as well. And here's the trunk, pretty big trunk being a 7 Series, no surprise there. BMW 7 Series are awesome cars, like very comfortable, very classy and elegant, and like any other BMW, they're very nice to drive. Let's put it in sport mode. Get it out on the road, see how it drives. I gotta say, it feels way more than 335 horsepower. Like BMWs, even they have a way of making all their cars feel quick and responsive and nimble. Like, this is a big luxury sedan and it does not feel like it has 335 horsepower. It feels like it has 400 because of how effortless the vehicle shifts. The ZF8 in BMW is just phenomenal, and the engine response in BMW is amazing too. Very smooth ride. And it handles very well for its size too. The seats are just so soft and plush, they feel great. And you also have a head-up display as well. Very quiet in here, of course. quick U-turn here. See how the car feels on a U-turn. Brakes are really good. Nice, very smooth. If you want more power, you definitely have to get the 750i, which is monstrously fast for just being a luxury sedan. But the 740i, it's quick for sure. As I said, it definitely feels more than 335 horsepower. But even 400 horsepower in a car like this, it's not going to be like blisteringly quick because of the weight of the vehicle and the size of the vehicle. But this car, it's still pretty quick. Transmission's really smooth. The car effortlessly accelerates and, you know, gets going on the road. Does whatever you need it to, which is really nice. You put it in manual mode like that, but you really don't need to do that because you have the shift paddles. Yeah, just so comfortable in this car. Really love it. Really, really nice. And the 7 Series gear shifter is bigger than you would find in like a 5 Series or any of the other BMWs, which makes sense because it is the flagship luxury sedan. It's a pretty big shifter. Look how smooth that steering is. The steering is really smooth despite the car being so long. Can effortlessly move around parking lots, corners, and tight turns, things like that. Here's some little nice storage right here. You do have a wireless charging tray, which I forgot to mention, as well as cup holders in front of the charging tray. You can set your memory seats over here, and I really like these metal buttons. Feel great. Really, really nice. And I like the stitching on the door. It's a nice polished metal look. Just a great car overall. Thank you for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this BMW 740i xDrive.